कर दूं? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about exercise 6.2, question number 12 of class 9th mathematics. We were at exercise 6.2 and at page number 123. We have already done question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and today, and also 12. We have already done question number 12 also. Now the last question, that is question number 13. That is x square plus y square over x square minus y square minus x square minus y square, and in denominator x square plus y square. After that, x plus y over x minus y minus x minus y over x plus y. Now, this is very important question. There are two ways to solve this question, very shortcut method. So the students which are already familiar with all the formulas, which I have already told you, they can easily do this question within 4 steps or 5 steps. But if somebody have some problem regarding formulas opening, then 2 or more than 2 steps this question will going to be take. First of all, we can see that between these two fractions there is a negative sign. We know that if there is some negative or positive sign between two fractions, then we must have to take LCM. So we need to take LCM of is these are both are different items. So x square minus y square and x square plus y square here, and this. Now this x square minus y square will cancel this x square minus y square, and we are left with x square plus y square. So this x square plus y square will going to multiply to numerator of this. So this will be x square plus y square, this and this, that makes whole square of it. After that, we have minus sign, and then in this x square plus y square will cancel this x square plus y square, and we are left with x square minus y square. This x square minus y square will going to multiply to this numerator, x square minus y square. So both are same, so we have left with x square minus y square whole square. Now you can see that this is whole square formula with positive sign, and this is whole square formula with negative sign. So you have two options. First of all, that first you need to open this formula, after that minus sign, then you need to open this formula. Then in the next step, you need to apply this minus sign on inside. Then in the very next step, you need to cancel all the items, all the expressions which are necessary. And in the fourth step, you can say you have the final after cutting answer. This is the lengthy way, but if you have knowledge of a formula that I have already told you, which formula? Okay, after this we can apply that formula. Now here within this bracket we have two fractions, and between them similarly like this we have negative sign, and its requirement is again LCM, that is x minus y and x plus y. Both are different items, so both items will be necessary to write here. Now x minus y will going to cancel this x minus y, and you are left with this x plus y. So this x plus y will going to multiply to this x plus y, and you are left with x plus y whole square. Same is the thing like this. Okay, after that, minus sign, and then for this denominator, this x plus y will going to cancel to this x plus y, and you are left with this x minus y. So this x minus y will going to multiply to this x minus y. So you are left with x minus y whole square. Now again, this is just like this. Again, the same thing for lengthy methods. Open this formula. After that, this minus, and then within bracket, you need to open this formula. In the next step, you need to apply this minus sign inside there. In the very next step, you need to cancel all the expressions which are necessary to cancel. So avoiding this thing, if you are familiar with this formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. I think you can easily watch this. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that is equal to 4ab. Just directly apply you can this formula if this situation is going to be made here. For example, a plus b, both a and b are same here and here, but for this the availability of positive sign will be here, and for this the availability of negative sign will be here, and both values contain square, and between them there is a minus sign. If this thing is proper here, like this is x square, this is x square, this is y square, and this is y square. This is positive sign and this is negative sign, just like this. And square is both of them, on both of them, and between them there is a negative sign. So you can apply this situation here and also here. So this is equal to 4ab. So you can directly apply this. 4a and b. We are left the space of a and b. Okay. X square minus y square. And or you can say that, okay, this is x square minus y square in denominator, and then x square plus y square. After that, divide sign, and then again this is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, just like this situation. So you need to apply here the same formula, 4ab. We left the space of a and b here. Okay, this is x minus y and this is x plus y. This can be, this is a minus b into a plus b. Recall it within your mind that which formula is this. You have already done within class 8. A minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. You know about this formula. So apply here. So this can be within denominator x square minus y square. Okay. Now, what will be this value of a and this value of b? The value of a here is this, x square. So you need to apply here x. The value of b here is this, y square. So what about this? The value of a, that is only x, not square on it, just like this. So this is only x and this is only y. Now you can see that this is divide sign. You need to abolish this divide sign. Rather than this divide sign, you need to change this sign into multiply sign. That is 4x square y square, and in denominator x square minus y square and x square plus y square. And rather than denominator, you need to apply here multiply sign, and this will be on numerator and this will be on denominator. You have already knowledge that if we convert this divide sign into multiply sign, then after that divide sign, this fraction will be reciprocal. So this x square minus y square can cancel this x square minus y square. This 4 will cancel to this 4. This x will cancel this 1x, and this y will cancel in this y square, only 1. So 1 is left. So what will be left in the numerator? This 4 is cancelled, but this x raised power 1 is still available there. So x and this y raised power 1 is also still available. So nothing is left in the numerator. So what will be in the denominator? Only x square plus y square. So This will be there. And that's it. Xy divided by x square plus y square. This was your exercise 6.2. Now we will discuss about exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3, that is on page number 126. Question number 1 is find square root by factorization. The first part of it is 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. Now for this question, you can see that he's asking us to find the square root. First of all, there are two methods to find the square root of it. The two methods are, first method is through division method and the second is through factorization. This one is factorization method. We will also do division method. To find the square root of this by factorization method, it means that we need to find the square root of this one. For this purpose, we need to know that this all is square of anything. So we don't know still about which square formula is this. So to find that, is that square or not, we have a strategy that I have already told you, that to find the two positive squares in it. You can see that this is positive, and this is negative. It means that this is of the type of formula a minus b whole square, because a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is positive, and this is negative. So this is negative, mean to say it is of the type of minus 2ab. So to find two positive square, first is this 4x square, because we know that 4 is square of 2 and x contains already square. So we can write it as 2x whole square, mean to say it is a square. Then we need to find the value of b square. This is this 9y square, because 9 is already the square, that is 3y square. This is a square and this is b square, a square plus b square. Now you are left with only this minus 12xy. You don't need to write it directly, but in the form of minus 2ab, and confirm it that is this minus 2ab form or not. So I am not writing this directly. After minus sign, we are going to apply minus 2a and the b. So the value of a is beneath this square. This is a, that is 2x. And the value of b is beneath this square. That is 3y. Now confirm it that this is 12xy or not. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy. This is 12xy. So this will be of the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Mean to say, just like this, it is equal to a minus b whole square. So it is equal to 2x minus 3y whole square. This is of the type of whole square. Now we need, we have done with that this is the square, this all the expression is square of this one. Okay. So its square root will be, what will be its square root? Its square root will be, apply square root on it. So after applying square root on it, this square root. We need to cancel this square with this square root, and you are left with 2x minus 3y. This square root answer is this 2x minus 3y. But sometimes you need to apply here positive and negative sign. If this thing is necessary, that this contain positive or negative sign, we can check it, exercise 6.3. Because within 10th class, you need to apply must after taking square root, the positive and negative sign. So we can check it whether it is necessary here or not. That is exercise 6.3. No, this is not necessary here. 2x minus 3y, okay. This is square root of this, and this is the answer, 2x minus 3y. Very simple question. You just need to verify that is this square of any expression or not. This was your part number 1. And now for part number 2. X square minus 1 plus 1 over 4x square. You need to find the square root of this through factorization. So through factorization, mean to say it must be the square of any expression. So for that purpose, you can see that there is some negative sign here. The same case as we have discussed in the previous part. So we need to find the two positive squares in it. First is this and second is this. So this is x square, mean to say it is a square. After that we need to find b square, that is this, plus 1 is square of 1, 4 is square of 2, and x contains also square, so we can write whole the thing is as b square. This is a square plus this is b square. After that this is minus 1. So we don't need to write here directly minus 1. We need to apply here the situation of minus 2ab and verify that this is perfect here or not. Minus 2, the value of a here is beneath this square, that is x. And the value of b is beneath this square, that is 1 over 2x. Now you can see that this 2x can cancel this 2x. Because this is on numerator, this is on denominator. And both are going to multiply. So you are left with, after cancellation with 2x, with this 2x, you are left with only 1. So this thing verifies this. Minus 2ab totally verified. So you have the situation a minus b whole square type. So now a square plus b square minus 2ab, you can write it as x minus 1 over 2x, mean to say this is a minus b whole square. Now you need to find the square root of it. So apply square root on it. So after applying square root, x minus 1 over 2x whole square, we are left with x minus 1 over 2x only. And that's it. This was your part number 2. Now for part number 3. Part number 3 is just like the previous question, 1 over 16 x square. You can see that x square is here. This is a part of numerator. Okay. And then minus 1 over 12 x and y. And then plus 1 over 36 and then y square will be here. Now to find the square root of it, you need to find the two positive squares. First is this and then is this. 1 over 16 x square. 16 is square root of 4, so you can write it as 1 over 4 x square. This is a square, and then you need to find the value of b. 1 over 6 y and square. A square plus b square. After that there is a negative sign, so minus 2. So for this you need to verify minus 1 over 12 xy, that is minus 2a and b. The value of a is beneath this square, that is 1 over 4x, and the value of b is beneath this square, that is 1 over 6y. Now verify this, that this is 1 over 12 x and y. This is 2. 2 can cancel with this 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you are left with only 2 here. So 2 6 are 12. So within denominator you are left with 12, and within numerator x and y multiplication, that you are with 1 over 12 xy. So this thing verifies this. Now you are left with the situation a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be complete square of 1 over 4x minus 1 over 6 and y whole square. Now just apply square root on it and you have the answer. Apply square root on it. Square will cancel to this square root. And that's it. This was your part number 3. Now for next part, part number 4, that is 4 into a plus b whole square minus 12 into a square minus b square, and then plus 9 into a minus b whole square. Now you need to find the square root of this. Again, this is same part, same scenario, but you can see there's very prolonged expression here, but this is the same situation. You need to make the whole square of it. For that purpose, you need to find two positive squares here. First is this, and second is this, and this is with negative sign. So this whole value is a complete square. You can write it as 4 square of 2, and after that a plus b also contains whole square. So you can write this already as, that is whole square 2 into a plus b whole square. You can say that this is all the way from here to here, that is a square, and the next positive square is this. This is b square, because 9 is square of 3, so you can write it as 3 into a minus b and apply whole square. This is a square plus this is b square, and after that this is minus 12a square minus b square. So you need to apply here the situation minus 2a and b and confirm it that this is 12 into a square minus b square or not. So after 2, you need to put the value of a here, so that is beneath this square, that is 2 into a plus b. Remember that this 2 is of 2 and this is within this value a. You need to apply here the value of b, that is beneath this square, that is 3 into a minus b. Now verify it. This number should be 12 from here. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. This thing verified. After that, you have requirement of a square minus b square that you have already with this a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b. Now all the thing is verified. That is this minus 12 into a square minus b square. Now this is a square plus this is b square. After that, this is minus 2a and b. So this is a minus b whole square type formula. The value of a is this 2 into a plus b. After that, minus sign. This is already a. After that, you need to apply here the value of b, that is 3 into a minus b. That this is whole square. Now after that, you can apply the square root on it. Square root 2 into a plus b minus 3 into a minus b and whole square. Now this whole square can cancel this square root. So you are left only with 2 into a plus b minus 3 into a minus b. Although this can be the answer, but this requires more simplification. That is 2 is going to multiply inside, that is 2a plus 2b, and this is minus 3a plus 3b. So this becomes 2b plus 3b becomes 5b, and this 2a minus 3a becomes minus a, and that's it. This will be the proper answer of this part, that is again a minus b whole square type formula. So now for the next part, part number 5, this part is lengthy. I think we will discuss this part in the next lecture. Now for today, if you have any question regarding today's lecture or regarding any previous lecture, you can ask it now, and thank you. You can ask any question if you have.